We're effectively following good stream practices. It'll be easier to apply for the rest of our app. Now we can start working on the home screen. I do want our content view to stay clean and just hold the tab view. It'll get big fast if we code all the screens on it. Let's make a new SwiftUI file for the home screen. Press Command N, SwiftUI view, next, home view, create. The home screen first features a hero title. All the images used for this app are inside the internet as URLs. For testing, we can define a temporary image at the top of our home view. Hit enter after the first curly brace twice. Back to line 11. Var, hero, test, title, equals, quotes. Navigate to constants. After our last string, hit enter a couple times. Static, let, test, title, URL, equals, single quote. I'll paste a sample URL. It will be in the video description. Please copy and paste it as well. Go back to home view. Replace the empty string with constants dot test title URL. Now we can build our view. Delete the text view. Type vstack with braces. Vstack aligns all the views inside its braces vertically. Our image needs to be loaded asynchronously because it's coming from online. This means it loads on a separate thread, not the main thread. That's for our UI. SwiftUI has a great tool called AsyncImage. Start typing async, select the second one, and press enter. AsyncImage takes a URL, but our hero test title is a string. We can easily convert it by typing URL in all caps, open parentheses, string, colon, hero test title. We're using Beetlejuice as our practice title. I honestly like the poster art. The image is pretty big right now. In order to adjust it, put braces at the end of our async image. After the first brace, type image in. This puts our async image inside a variable called image. We can put modifiers on this variable to adjust it. Before we do that, we have to define a placeholder while the image loads. After the async image curly braces, type place and hit enter to autocomplete. In the placeholder braces, we can type ProgressView. As the image loads, ProgressView, which contains a progress circle, will show. Let's go back inside our async image braces. Type image.resizable.scaledToFit. These two things we just added are called modifiers. Modifiers allow us to change our views. In this case, we're allowing the image to be resizable and fitting it in our parent view without distortion. Modifiers are usually in separate lines so they can stand out. Put your cursor after the E in image and press enter. I'll press escape to dismiss that suggestion. Press enter again after the resizable closing parentheses. This is looking pretty good. I also think it's a good place to stop. Great job on this one.